Two cats had a fight, one was saying that I will share the bread, the other was saying that I will share the bread. Monkey picked it up and divided it into two parts, then measured the two pieces of bread, then one part was big and one was small. He said, "Oh, one piece of bread is small and one is big. Did the second part look bigger? Did the monkey take a piece of bread from this part too?" Still, both pieces of bread were small and big. The monkey kept measuring the bread and tried to make them equal. When the last nibble was left, the cats understood what was happening. The monkey was smart and quickly put the last nibble in his mouth and sat down on the tree and said, "Don't fight anymore. Remember me. Your monkey brother will come with the bread." "Thank you," and the cat was swinging on the wall and kept looking at the face.